Alrighty guys, so today I ordered the rod that I'm gonna probably pair with my SLX reel that we did in the last unboxing. So I got this guy from Tackle Warehouse. It is the St. Croix Bass X rod, 7-1 medium heavy. So I can use this for, depending on how heavy their medium heavy is. We'll see. It doesn't say what side to open it up on, so we're just going to kind of start going at it here. Without cutting my finger off, hopefully. And being that we got a couple months still till open water fishing, I just kind of wanted to get one here and have time to either change it if I don't like it, or just have it so I don't have to worry about waiting for it when it gets close to being fishing season. Alrighty, well, here it is. Alright, get that guy off to the side here. And figure out how to open this up. The easiest way to open it up anyway. There we go. It's like, they make it hard to... Well, first impressions are good. I like it. It's really light. Well, I don't know if you'd say really light, but it is noticeably light. Yeah, it's like a matte black finish. Hopefully you can see that there. And then I got, on Tackle Warehouse, they had both. I don't know if it's like a second generation or if they just changed the way they look, but they have these with the blue Bass X, and then there's one with like a greenish kind of purpley. So I don't know if that's like a second generation thing or just a change in how they start, or how the change in the graphics is what I'm trying to say. And then cork handle, which I go either way. I like the cork a little bit. The only time I don't like the, what do you call it? The rubber. The rubbery foam stuff, the other material. If you don't get cork, I just don't like that if your hands are wet. I feel like it kind of soaks in a little bit more than your corks. Yeah, they'll be wet, but it doesn't feel like it's soaked in as much. That's nice. I like it. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but looks good. And I'll let you guys know what I think of it, or if I have any problems with it here once I use it for a little while, and see if I'd recommend it, being that it's a $100 rod. But I think it'll be nice. And we'll pair that guy up with our SLX, and it should match pretty good. I put just some light line on there, just so I could test the reel, and I put a little weight on there and kind of flipped around, but I didn't do anything much else. There it is. I'd say that looks pretty darn good paired together, if I do say so myself. In the sun, it's kind of like almost a gray, the rod color, but there it is for you. First look and unboxing. hopefully you liked it. I've heard good things about St. Croix rods, so I decided to get one of their budget-friendly ones. I didn't go with like a $300 rod because it's a fishing rod, but hopefully you like that unboxing. We'll see you guys in the next one.